It's a rainy day here in Texas, so I decided to make myself a cup of coffee, restock my little coffee pods here, and get some cleaning done. I haven't really been keeping up on my cleaning. Things get put away usually, but today's one of those days I just needed to do a little bit extra, and I think I touched something in every room, which looking back now, I can see that future me was really mad about that. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. I found this coffee creamer recipe for Italian sweet creamer on TikTok. I made it. It's okay, not my favorite. I guess I like the stuff with the vegetable oil better. I have what I call one of the stupid Roombas, where it doesn't do the room mapping and go in a straight line back and forth to make sure that every square inch of the room is vacuumed. Mine just bumps into something, turns, bumps into something, turns. So I call it a stupid Roomba. But while it's doing that, we're going to get started in my room. I dropped my brush in the toilet when I was cutting my hair today. Alright, so I went to go microwave boil some water so that I could pour it over my brush after it fell in the toilet. Now I'm just going to wipe down my bathroom counters. I do this probably a couple times a week, and I don't really ever show my bathroom on camera because where the camera's at right now is actually in my shower, so you can tell from this view how small my bathroom really is. It's just a single basin sink, a toilet, and a stand-in shower. I don't have one of those big glamorous master bathroom showers like you see on some other people's YouTubes, but I'm just going to wipe everything down here real quick, tidy up, just get rid of all the dust, put hairpins and hair ties away that collect in that little dish, just like a random cleanup here today. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. Remember when I said at the beginning of the video that current me hated past me for doing this in this video? So what I'm doing here is I'm taking that laundry and I'm making it a problem for future me. I'm going to make the bed and ignore the laundry throughout this entire video, and I'm just going to tell you future me was really mad about it. I just recorded a video yesterday of future me doing all of that. Oh my gosh, I think it took me 40 minutes to fold all the laundry that I have been collecting, because I'm one of those people that once you start collecting it, it just collects. I just keep putting more and more laundry in the same pile until the pile's so big that I just have to do it. What I'm doing here is looking for the tag, because that tag should always go in the bottom left of your bed. If you always put it on the bottom left of your bed, you'll never put your sheets on wrong, so you won't have to take them off, turn them around. Just look for that tag, put it on the bottom left, and that goes for the fitted sheet and the top sheet. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. I have two videos that I made on painting these black doors the wrong way and then painting these black doors the right way. It's been almost 2 years since I repainted them and did it the right way, and this is the very first time I've had to, and I'm using air quotes, touch up anything on my doors. There's no chips, no scratches other than that little ding right there, and it was because of a 3-year-old that was messing with the dogs in my doors. There's the Roomba still bumping into things in the living room, going over all the same stuff again and again. I don't really have an issue with the way it vacuums. It's just not one of those that goes in a straight line back and forth, and I would like that. There's not much to do here in the living room. I'm just going to pick up a few things and go put them where they belong. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say
really love this IKEA shoe thing. I just wish it was wider. I wish like there were two of them side by side that had one big long top on it like that, because it's the perfect length of the TV that's directly above it. I would like it to be just a little bit longer than the TV. This is my guest bedroom, also Ileana's bedroom. She calls this her bedroom. Anytime I'm in here, she says, "Gigi, why are you in my room?" Like, because I'm cleaning it, I'm making your bed, I'm fixing your pillows. She likes to do this herself. She's 3. Also, this little dinosaur nightlight is so cool. It's just silicone and you tap on the top and it changes colors and it automatically shuts off so they can have it in bed at night and it doesn't kill the battery. You just recharge it. And this is the other side of that same room where I have all the nail polish, which is why I have a need to have that little bed tent. She doesn't get out of it at night. She totally could. I mean, she has before, but she's just come in my room in the morning and says, "Gigi, I'm awake." So I put that in there just like if she were to wake up in the middle of the night. I don't want her to just freely get up and have access to 1,200 bottles of nail polish. I really don't know what else to do with it other than, you know, keep telling her don't touch it. And she really, for the most part, does not touch it, but there has been an instance where she came in here and she was playing, which I don't usually allow her to do, but she was in here with the dogs and she was playing and I could hear her on the monitor, and then I started hear her talking about painting nails, and I'm like, oh, please, no, 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 no. She had like 20 bottles of polish out, 5 of them dumped on the floor. Now, I'm really good at cleaning up nail polish on the carpet. If you hadn't noticed a spot, it's because it's not the first time something like that has happened, but it wasn't her that spilled it. It was me or my daughter or somebody else. I've gotten into a really bad habit of shoving stuff like this into this closet. It is packed full of I don't even know what. It's my Monica's closet, if you know what that means, and maybe I'll film a video one day and clean it out, or maybe I'll just clean it out, but either way, it needs to be done, and it needs to be done soon, because as soon as I put this pack and play in there, there's no more room in that closet. Choose to do whatever comes next. When Ileana came in and saw the bed missing, her little pack and play here, she sat in that little corner and she just sat there. "Where's my bed, Gigi? Where's my bed?" I'm like, "It's in the closet. You have a big girl bed now. I want the little bed. I don't want the pink one. I want the white one." She's too big for the white one, which is why I got the pink one. But now she hates the pink one. I don't know. Kids, man. Kids. Travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. Just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all, this or that. Speaking of kids, this is my granddaughter's beautiful bedroom. It is my most favorite room, I think, in my whole house. And if you're interested in watching a video of me making it over, you can watch it here. I'm gonna link it in the description and I will put it in the info cards. I have a few other videos of cleaning her room when she did live here. It was pretty bad. It's one of my highest performing videos also, probably because it was so filthy. But this is me again deciding to do all the laundry from all the beds and all the house, and I don't know, me being stupid. Remind me not to do that again, because that laundry sat there for 2 weeks. Remember I said at the beginning of the video that it was a rainy day and I'm gonna clean house? Well, somebody, I'm not gonna name any names, went outside and got their paws all muddy and wet and tracked it through my whole house. Not just right here, but what you see here, whole house. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless. This little play tent was worth every penny on Amazon. I think I spent like $20, might be $25 now, but it's really, really good quality and really, really durable. I always notice the dogs doing stuff like this when I watch these videos back during the editing process. She's just watching me put stuff away, clean stuff, just checking out what's going on, just watching everything. And that laundry is the laundry that we're ignoring we're not going to do that today. One of my next projects that I'd like to get done soon is to clean off that cabinet that's behind that blue couch where all the laundry is currently sitting. When that cabinet is cleaned off, all those things that normally get put on my kitchen counter actually go over there, and then they sit over there and junk up that counter instead of my kitchen counter. You guys, Aldi makes me so mad. So mad. Every container I've ever bought from them says dishwasher safe. It's a lie. It's an Aldi lie. A little over a year ago, I bought 2 sets of their acrylic food storage containers. It says dishwasher safe. Top and bottom rack melted. Like so much that they were not usable. Wasted all my money. So after that happened, I turned down the heat on my dishwasher. I usually will only wash anything acrylic like that on the top rack, but obviously I wasn't thinking. My Rubbermaid Brilliance containers don't do that because they're a little bit better. I don't know. I just keep giving them a chance and I end up just wasting my money on it because I forget not to put it in the dishwasher. So I'm just going to have to continue using those like in a pantry or somewhere that they're going to get hand washed and not washed in the dishwasher.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience.
Do you guys ever watch DIY videos or clips of something, anything like YouTube, wherever? Do you ever watch them and think, yeah, I can do that? I'm sitting here while I'm editing this video watching DIY Wife, and I swear the things that she does are so incredible. It makes me think like, oh yeah, I can build that. Even though she's been doing it for years and years and perfected it, you know, through the learning process, of course. But I just randomly had a thought one day where I needed a dog gate and I didn't want them to go into my guest bedroom or my granddaughter's bedroom, but I wanted to leave their bedroom doors open. So instead of putting 2 gates, one in front of each door, I just built 1 gate to block them all off, and I put it on that little swing arm and, you know, just kind of winged it. I looked at a picture, actually, some, not even videos, just some pictures on Pinterest, and I'm like, yep, I can build that. I mean, I did. So anyway, that was just a random thought while I'm sitting here watching myself wash dishes. I'm watching Andrea remodel her master bathroom.
Fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
It's still raining outside, so I'm not going to clean my floors just yet because I know the same thing will happen as soon as I let both of them outside and come back in. But the mud is dried on this carpet, so my vacuum will clean most of it up. I can use some Folex spray to get the rest of it up, but once it's dried, it just comes up pretty easily. I really appreciate you guys taking a few minutes out of your day to watch my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a few seconds to do that before the video ends, and I will see you next week.
You put my favorite song on. I put my feet